Understanding the device payments on your first bill. Hello, and congratulations on your recent purchase. Here is some useful information to help you understand the monthly device payment charges on your upcoming bill. You'll first see a quick bill summary, which captures the charges and payments for all the lines on your account. Your equipment charges and applicable credits are rolled up into these charges on each row. To see the itemized details of your device payment agreement, you'll need to go to the line level breakdown in your bill. If you're viewing your bill online, click the Charges by Line tab. Once at line level, you'll see the Monthly Charges heading. If you qualify for any discounts or credits off your monthly line access charges, they will be listed immediately following your access charge. You may also have partial charges if you made a price plan change during your order. Just below is the Equipment Charges section. Here, you'll see your monthly device payments. You'll also see payments made and remaining balance. In some states, the sales tax for the full retail price of your device will be billed to you monthly. You'll find this under the Usage and Purchases section, under Taxes, Governmental Surcharges, and Fees. If you have additional questions about the device payment agreement, please visit our FAQs at verizonwireless.com/devicepayments/FAQs. Congratulations again on your recent device purchase.